Punjab has been declared as a disaster hit state. Several of the districts impacted, but also the closer ones to Haryana, which includes Patiala. This is Kami Khurd village where we are, a small village. But look at the extent of damage out here. Once the water came inside the houses, the bricks were put in to ensure they were the levels of the bed could rise. We'll just speak to the residents out here. कितना मुश्किल हुआ आप लोगों ने ईंटें लगा के ब्रिक्स लगाकर ये पूरा उठाने की कोशिश
हाँ जी
की?
बहुत से ऊपर करने के लिए करे पहनने के लिए अपने खाना पीना भी था अपने बैठ के खाना था
बिजली है क्या घर पे?
नहीं बिजली है तो है वो भी नहीं है
नहीं है. Let's just try and get you a sense. Look at this.
सारी रात नहीं जी सोए.
This is where several of the villagers are really upset. आप क्या बता रहे थे? हाँ.
सारी रात नहीं जी सोए हैं. उस दिन पूरी रात हमने जाग करके काटा है. 4 बजे जा करके हम थोड़ा टिके हैं और पानी नहीं उतरा है. पानी तो सुबह 6 बजे के बाद उतरे आ गए.
So look at these sandbags, an arrangement being made now. It's so difficult to walk onto this because it's a slippery ground. But we'll get you a sense because remember the villagers now all standing together. This is to ensure that the survival. Remember the sandbags were brought in. The cattle are here. These are people, livestock, all being impacted right here. And look at the water levels. So the water has now receded in these particular parts, but you can see it's all drenched. And one of the reasons as to why things have gone so wrong, this is Ghaggar level rising, and there you have a look. This is where you can see the water is gone in, it's all drenched. कितना पानी आया सीगा? हाँ?
बाकी होर छोड़ रहे करे होर छड्डाबाजी करे भी होर आएगा पानी.
अभी और आएगा पानी.
हाँ जी हाँ बोल रहे हैं अभी फिर पंचकुले से आया जो फोन आया था.
So there you have it. The waters, especially because the dams have now been opened. So in the next couple of hours, what we anticipate is, look at this. Look at this. What you can see inside is just about a lot of mud, and the livestock, as we mentioned to you, impacted. Look at this. So they have to be careful. This is a bund being made. This is where what we can show you is, look at this. As you go inside the villages, you just understand the extent of damage these floods have caused. So a 360-degree view, looking into this entire aspect. Look at this. ये आप बताइए कि प्रशासन की तरफ से क्या मदद हो पाई है?
प्रशासन की मदद तो कोई नहीं है जी, कोई नहीं आया जी. देखो आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, बस प्रशासन कोई मदद नहीं कर रहा है. बस आ जा अपना गड्डियां में आ गया, अपना फोटो ला के ले चले गए, बस और कोई मदद नहीं है.
So they're saying this is turning into a photo opportunity for several of the people who really coming in. But look at this. This is the sort of arrangement, a bund being made. तो ये आप लोग खुद ही बना रहे हो बंड?
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ हाँ भाई. मिट्टी सरपंच ने दी है जी, लारे आप हैं. उन्हें 4 ट्रैलियां 5 ट्रैलियां भर के खड़ाइयां, बाकी लोग अपने अपने घर में बन ला रहे हैं जी.
तो लोग अपने आप से ही कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी अपने आप से ही कर रहे हैं. हूँ सारी तरपालां सारे पिंड में जिसकी छत चूरी है तरपालां दे रहे हैं जी.
All you see around villages is these particular bunds to stop the flooding, really the flood waters coming in, and then thereafter you can see that's the cover. So that's the tarpal that you see out here, sort of a raincoat for the house, but clearly ground situation seems really grim when it comes to low-lying areas, and this is where Kami Khurd area in Patiala being impacted in several such villages. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Patiala district for India Today.